Lindsay and today we are making the most magical chocolate bar flavor ever with my all-natural strawberry chocolate bars. Since you guys loved my DIY strawberry chocolate chip video, I started thinking about other pink treats I could create that don't exist yet for some reason, like strawberry flavored pink chocolate bars. These adorable pink chocolate bars are strawberry flavored and these are so easy to make. There's only 2 ingredients and they're all natural because we're using my secret ingredient, so there's no food dyes or artificial flavors. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. And I'm adding some edible gold stars to these because I think it just makes them extra whimsical and magical and fun. I mean, we're already making pink chocolate bars, so why not make them extra fabulous? Okay, so let's get started, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe down below for you guys, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. Just place your mold on a baking sheet, and then go ahead and sprinkle some edible gold stars right on top of the mold. And this part is totally optional, just adds a whole nother layer of fun to these. Then just set this aside and we're gonna take my secret ingredient, a bag of freeze-dried strawberries, and we're just gonna pulse this in a food processor until it turns into a powder. And you can also just do this and crush them up in a plastic bag if you want. Just make sure you get that nice fine powder that's gonna dissolve into our chocolate. So you can make these using melted white chocolate. Today I'm doing melted white candy melts because they tend to set a little bit firmer, but you can do a combo of the two if you want the firmness from the candy melts and the flavor from the white chocolate. Either or works great. Then in a microwave safe bowl, just take your chocolate and melt it in 30-second intervals. Then go ahead and add your strawberry powder right in and mix it up until it's fully combined. Then just transfer the mixture into a plastic Ziploc bag and snip off the corners so it's easy to pipe right into the mold. And just squeeze it right into each cavity of the mold. And if you don't have a chocolate bar mold, you can definitely just pour the mixture right into a little cupcake pan with liners. And then once they're set, just peel away the liner and you'll have little discs of strawberry chocolate bars. Then go ahead and just tap the baking sheet on the counter to release any air bubbles and make sure it's nice and smooth on top. And you can also do this with some rainbow sprinkles too if you'd like. And that was it. Now we're just gonna pop these in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes to set up and firm, and then we get to give them a try. All right, so the chocolate's hardened, so now let's just remove the little bars right from the mold. They pop out so easy, and they came out perfect. You guys, these totally exceeded my expectations. They're pastel and pink and beautiful and shimmery with the gold stars. These are like my dream candy come to life. All right, the best part, let's give it a try. And if you guys make these, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at lindsayandbakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would love these totally fabulous pink strawberry chocolate bars. Yum. They have that smooth, creamy white chocolate texture with that powerful punch of strawberry flavored from the freeze-dried strawberries. These are so cool. I've never tasted anything like this. Then go ahead and just store these at room temperature the way you would store any regular chocolate. If you like your chocolate cold, you can put it in the freezer, whatever floats your boat. I just think they're so much fun miniature, and I wanted to add them to cakes and cupcakes because they're so fun and unique. If you love this video, you are also gonna love my DIY strawberry chocolate chips or my ultimate no-bake Rice Krispie treat candy drip cake that I use these on. So be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my all-natural strawberry chocolate bars. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right back here next time. Bye. You guys, really quick, how stinking cute are these little miniature strawberry chocolate bars? I made them for this week's YouTube video. I added some edible gold stars to make them extra fabulous, and I think they came out pretty darn cute. I just want to show you really quick up close how freaking cute these are, you guys. Wait till you see what I use them for. You're gonna flip. It's so much fun. And they're really tasty too.